My name is Robert Azerad. I joined Daikin 1 year and a half ago, and before joining Daikin, I had a career in Atofina, which is the chemical branch of Total Group. This career was in 3 phases. First phase was a very operational phase in a plant in charge of fluorinated chemical activities. Second phase was to develop activity hydrogen peroxide and peroxide activities worldwide, in North America, in Asia, in eastern part of Europe, and of course in Europe too. And the third phase was more about crossing functional organization, kind of marketing and commercial organization. So I joined Daikin last year in April 2002 to assume 2 responsibilities with 2 caps, I would say. First one is to be the general manager of Daikin Chemical France, and the second one is to be the vice president of Daikin Chemical Europe. First, maybe what I should have to say about Daikin. Daikin has a particularity, a specificity, which is to be both involved in air conditioning and fluorinated chemical activities, which is really a specificity worldwide. Daikin is 5 billion euro turnover and 15,000 people worldwide. Daikin really succeeded to start operation in Europe, and now it's a second very important step for chemical activity. We are about to start a new project here in Lyon with a fluoroelastomer plant, which will be started beginning of next year in 2004. Mm-hmm. Before making this kind of decision to start a plant here, new facilities here in Lyon, it was very important to start with a good partnership with a chemical company here, and because of other and a very long old relationship with Atofina, Daikin start to talk with Atofina, and possibility to have some raw material here, which is very important for this kind of plant, possibility to get some service and utilities, possibility to take benefit of existing I would say expertise in this kind of activities, and of course possibility to follow up this kind of partnership with this big company was very interesting for Daikin, and the decision has been made to start operation here in Pierre-Bénite. Adderly helped, in fact, this project in 3 different phases before launching the project, when the project were proceeding, and now there is a kind of following up this kind of support. So before starting the project, Adderly was talking with Daikin to explain how French regulation is implemented, how to meet this kind of very complicated regulation. Regulation in France is not so easy, and particularly for this kind of activity when we have to meet some very strict regulation in terms of safety, environmental issue, and so on. So Adderly helped people coming from Japan, and there were some very good supports coming from somebody who were able to speak fluently in Japanese with our Japanese colleague, and this were very, very important. Second phase was when we were starting really the project. We got some very strong support, and including for recruitment. And I could tell you that first time I had an interview with Daikin, somebody from Adderly was around the table and helped Japanese people to understand what I was just explaining and presenting. And time to time, of course, now, even if our project now is, I would say, on the rail and moving, just about to be started, and we are about to start our plant, I still have some meeting with Mr. Mori, who is in charge of Adderly, and Mr. Mori is always ready to support us. First, from a general point of view, I would say that Lyon is presenting a very good advantage, I would say, for chemical industry, because Lyon and this area is well known for a very long and historic life in chemical industry. And there are plenty of big chemical company. Of course, Atofina was just celebrating its 1 century anniversary last year for Pierre Bénite, and more than 150 years for Atofina Saint-Fond, and Rhodia is maybe more than 100 years anniversary, and Ciba and Adventis, and plenty of chemical industry, which is for us really a good advantage, because we could take benefit of presence of some very good school who are providing good knowledge and education for chemical industry. Condition of living in Lyon, first I have to tell you that I was born in Lyon, so my life in Lyon is of course deeply affected by the fact that I love this town. This town is presenting many advantages for the life. Of course, the Alps, which are very close to us, the seaside, and the infrastructure we have in Lyon, and easiness to arrive or to leave Lyon, either by road with highways, or by train with TGV, or by plane with a big airport. So it's something which, of course, help us to have a good life in Lyon. It seems to be, you will have opportunity to talk directly with them, but it seems to be that they are very pleased to live in Lyon. And so more and more, there are more and more Japanese people here in Lyon, in this area, and so they have some facilities for Japanese restaurant and Japanese food and Japanese organization. But anyway, it seems to be that they love life, they like to live here in this area.